Hi, and welcome. I'm Dr. Pauline Fu. In this video, I will demonstrate how to conduct hypothesis test in SPSS. The data file I will use is based on a course evaluation here. So suppose you are going to evaluate a course. You have your professor or secret number. You are asked to give a number for the course evaluation. And also you are going to evaluate your professor, numeric numbers. And your professor is divided by male or female professors, etc. For this demonstration purpose, I will just use these three columns as my data. So now go to my question 1. Is there sufficient evidence to suggest that the population mean course evaluation, this is the course evaluation, is equal from 4? As we can see the number here, maybe around 4, okay, has the claim at 0.05 level of significance. This is question 1. And for this one, we are going to use a t-test. For question 2, is there evidence to suggest that population mean professor evaluation for male and question 3 with higher again for female? So remember we have a professor evaluation here. Okay, we want to compare if the evaluation for professor for female or for male is higher than for female. That is question 2. And for question 2, we are going to use independent sample t-test, two populations, male population, female population. Okay? All right, so this is the data and research question. So how we are going to use SPSS to do it? So first, how do I access SPSS software? You just type in the keyword Toronto MU water application. Typing a keyword in the browser. And you have the first name, water application. Make sure you meet the requirement. Okay, you need a multi-factor authentication, and also you need the Microsoft desktop command. Okay. The detailed instructions here, you need to use the Toronto MU email address, not Ryerson address. So once you have done that, I already did that, so you just click here. Click here to access the apps. And now pick an account. So pick torontomu.ca, not Ryerson, okay? Toronto MU. And you also need to ask to provide the access code. I already did that, so I directly go to this blog. Okay. I already did some work, maybe I will pass it. Oops, okay, that's really true. That looks like nice good thing. Another story from the beginning, this is what I did, example for this topic. All right, this is after you launch the V app, you go to bottom right corner start, and again looking for IBM here. IBM SPSS certificate, then launch IBM SPSS certificate. Take some time for this work application to actually. By the way, this is a virtual environment. How do you get the file? Okay, you must have a file on your local computer. You email yourself the data file and then open a browser in the app, open a browser in the app, and then open your email. That way, you download the file in virtual now. Okay. Okay, so this is SPSS. First time open, you just click plus button. I already did the data file. I emailed myself using regular method. And then I open a browser in Windows Virtual Desktop. Okay. Remember, because see here, using Windows Virtual Desktop or VR to open your email. After you open it, you download and then save it in there's a folder called here. I already did that. So you save in your personal V drive. I already did that. So I'm directly going to import data. The data I saved is an Excel file. You could save as CSV file. Okay. So I saved the Excel file. So you look in, you have the personal storage V apps. Yeah. There I have the SPSS file. What I try to do, I try to pass down my data file and use my mind. Yeah, it is here. This is the Excel file I saved. Okay. In your case, you may save as a CSV file. So file type, you have to save that CSV. For me, I save the Excel file. So I click open. And click OK button. All right, so this is the data file. Now let's go back to our question. What is our research question? Is there evidence population mean for cost evaluation is different from 4? I will go to analyze, compare means and proportions. One sample t-test, and then this pattern is about cost evaluation to select this value. And then price value would have been 4. And where do I enter 0.05 level of significance? It is here, options. The confidence level is 95%, means alpha 0.05. Here we specify alpha. Then you click continue and click OK. All right, this is your result. And how do you, based on this result, to answer the research question? That is check the lecture notes. You have to basically critical value method and p-value method. P-value method is easier. Okay, so this is two-tailed test. You have a p-value 0.119. This p-value obviously greater than alpha. When p-value greater than alpha, you do not reject H-value. Okay, so the population mean is not different from 4. Means the population mean is 4 at 0.05 level of significance. Okay, so that is the first research question. The second question, you are comparing two populations. One is male, the other is female, about the professor evaluation. Okay, so this is two independent sample T test. Okay, this is the output window. On the bottom, if you click this sigma sign, you have output, you have data. So go to data here. Now we are going to do the second question. If the population mean for male is higher than the population mean for female for the professor evaluation, I go to analyze, and here means is the person independent sample test, professor evaluation, and grouping variable is based on gender. And remember, gender, we have female, we have male, so you have to divide the group. Group 1, you can divide to, you decide group 1 is male or female, doesn't matter. So I will select male because our research question asks if the male is higher than the female. Okay. Sometimes the data use 0, 1 represent two different categories. If you put 0, 1 here. Instead of male, you put 0. Instead of female, you put 1. Okay. All right. So I click continue. Again, click here, you specify alpha. 0.05 means 95% constant interval. Constant level. Then you click OK button. And you have the sample mean for male is 4.189, for female is 3.943. But can you conclude male is higher than female? So you go to, again, two methods, critical value method, p-value method. Okay, this is greater. So it is one-tailed test. One-tailed test, you're looking for p-value is 0.018. This p-value 0.018 assume equal variance assume. Okay, you may need a separate test to test the two population variants are the same or not. If the two population variants not the same, you have to use 0.02 as the p-value. Okay. Suppose the equal variance assumes you use 0.018, its p-value smaller than 0.05. So when p-value is smaller than alpha, you reject H-value. You reject H-value. So your managerial conclusion would be the mean average, the mean for male professor evaluation is higher than the mean evaluation for female professor evaluation based on 0.05 level of significance. Okay. All right. That concludes this section about hypothesis test using SPSS. Okay. There are three important points. One, make sure you figure out the required software. You need two particles here. Okay. And then you click here, you get SPSS software. Second, how to manage and transfer your data. You email yourself the data, and then you open a browser here. Okay, open a browser, you VLAB, and get your data file from your email, and then save the data file in personal V drive. Okay, this is second. And then you conduct strategic analysis. You can analyze either one sample type, t-test, or independent sample t-test. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.